Good morning, students. So let us continue with some more multiple choice questions related to the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? So see the first question. The properties of mixtures are dash from its components. So the correct answer is the properties of mixture are similar from its components. As components present in mixture show their properties, thus mixture have same properties to that of components. Second question is the smell of hydrogen sulfide gas is basically of rotten eggs. Hydrogen sulfide smells like rotten eggs. Third question is water is a compound because its composition is fixed, properties are different from its components, components can be separated by chemical methods, and all of these. So the correct answer is D part, all of these. As water is a compound formed by the reaction of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, and its chemical formula is H2O. So the composition is fixed, properties are different from its components, and they also can be separated by the chemical methods, that is by passing the electricity. Next question is question number 4. Which of the following is a colloid? So colloid is a mixture in which one substance mixed through other substance that will not mixed with other substance completely. So out of all these three, all are the colloids. Milk, blood and aluminium paint, all are colloids. Fifth question is which of the following is a true solution? So true solution is basically a homogeneous mixture of two substances. So salt solution, C part, is the correct answer. Salt solution is a true solution, that is the homogeneous mixture of salt and water. Sixth question, which of the following will show Tyndall effect? So Tyndall effect is scattering of light by the particles. So therefore milk is a colloid which can show the Tyndall effect. Seventh question, when iron and sulfur are heated at high temperature, so black colored iron sulfide is formed. A is the correct option. So when these two elements are heated at high temperature, black colored iron sulfide is formed. Eighth question is the process of separation of insoluble solids from a liquid is called, this process is called filtration, in which the insoluble solids which is not soluble in a liquid gets separated out. Question number 9. The process used to separate oil and water is separating funnel. So separating funnel is a technique in which two immiscible liquids like oil and water here can be separated by using the separating funnel. 10th question is the size of the colloidal particle is in the range of, so basically they are in the range of 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Last question is cloud is an example of, so cloud is basically an example of liquid dispersed in a gas. So A is the correct answer. A part. As cloud represents water drops suspended in air. So that's it for this video. We have covered almost all the important MCQs related to the chapter number 2. In the next video, we are going to take another chapter's MCQs.